Okay, I heard that. It is the 10th of October, 2024. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
This is Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. Uh, and past week, I um, mm, only just worked through a little bit more of the Docker stuff. I was trying to find where I was, so only a very small amount of what I was hoping to do. Coming week, then I hope to do what I was going to do, which is finish the Docker tutorials and get back to the ball following, or one of the actually get back to the just the ROS, the articulated robots ROS, and get something onto the PyCar, Sunfounder PyCar, and so just get back onto doing stuff on the PyCar. Uh, Once I finish the my thing on the once I finish setting up or running through the Docker tutorials on the other on the desktop. And also one more thing I did while I was waiting for the meeting was I looked at the WIKISPEED website, and probably need to coordinate with Joe on this, but I started to look at updating it, getting more recent videos of Joe's interviews on, because there's a news page, and other things that could update it, and then thinking about that. So that's another thing for the coming week. And blocks are just got a lot of things going, or just actually one or two other projects. And that's it for blocks, but they're not really major. Oh yeah, and I am running a 10K at not this weekend, but next weekend. And back to you.
Okay, it's Michael Walchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. Um, what I got done this past week was I edited a video for the little tank demo and I posted it. I made another, I think I made another video list for WIKISPEED that includes the Little Red Wagon project. And the other thing I got done was it's not really part of the Polaris project. It's I have an electric wheelbarrow that I'm trying to fix up. I had ordered a new DC controller. I plugged it into the battery pack, connected up the motor and the controls, and it doesn't work. So I started checking things out, and I have a harness that has one pin that's bent. And I have another connector that is has a pin that's mangled and doesn't engage properly. So I've got to order a couple more connectors before I continue on that. And that's about it for the week. For next week, I am hoping to get the connectors ordered. I am hoping to get back on the Sunfounder and see if I can get Docker running. And the um, the Polaris project, basically I need to clean it up, clean up the connectors, and make sure that a dirty connector isn't the reason that I'm getting this throttle error. So if that doesn't work, I have one more thing to try, which is using a couple of resistors to generate use one throttle signal and then generate a signal that's half the voltage, which is what it's supposed to be, and then doesn't seem to be coming through properly. Anyway, that's it for next week. And blocks are, it shouldn't be a block to be nice weather. but we're doing all the yard work that we didn't get done in the previous week and a half when we were sick. So um, that's what we're actually doing instead of working on the WIKISPEED stuff. Anyway, back to you.
Okay. I'm gonna give myself a 4, team of 10. And kind of the next step is last week I sent out a reminder to some of the people who joined recently, and I didn't do it this week because we were kind of sorting out the Zoom stuff. But I think I'll send reminders, and I'll send like personal reminders to the people who have joined.
Okay.
And back to you.
So I got 4 points done, and I only was targeting 4, so I guess I have to give myself a 10 out of 10, even though it doesn't really feel like a 10 out of 10 week. Team's 10, and I'm not sure what to do for the process improvement. We've kind of we've had more people on the meeting, but we don't have anything for them to do. So I think we have to fix that. I think we have to come up with stuff that they can do, and I think that means we've got to get Docker running. So I'm not thinking I have a process improvement for the week. Anyway, I think that pretty much does it for stand up. You want to record crosstalk?
I don't have anything particular, so I want to talk a bit, but I think we could end the recording.
Okay, I'm going to hit stop recording and see what happens.